everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you latest update from JNTUH, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University of Hyderabad, about online classes or offline classes and all the details when they are going to start the online classes and what are the details. All these details I'm going to cover in this video, so stay tuned for that. And if you're watching the videos without subscribing, so please subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update from JNTUH. So without further ado, let's get into the video. JNTUH have been announced the new notification about online or offline classes details. So let's have a look. So subject JNTUH Hyderabad Directorate of Academic and Planning commencement of online classes for UG and PG courses. So as per the directions of the university authorities, all the directors or principals of constituent and affiliated colleges of JNTUH are requested to conduct classes for all UG undergraduate, that is btech, bpharm and diploma all courses, and for PG, mtech, mpharm, mca, mba courses in online mode from 17th of January to 22nd of January 2022 in the following manner. So the JNTUH have been released in official notifications saying that for all UG and PG courses will be having online classes from 17th of January, that is from Monday. They are going to conduct online classes for all UG PG courses up to 22nd of January, and in the following manner, that for all UG PG courses for btech, bpharm first and second year, mtech, mpharm first and second year, mba, mca first and second year, pharmd first, second, third, fourth, fifth year, and for pharmd post baccalaureate first and second year classes to be conducted in online mode. So for all these btech, bpharm first and second year, mtech, mpharm first and second year, and for all MBA, MCA first, second year, and for PharmD first, second, third, fourth, fifth year, and for PharmD post baccalaureate first and second year classes will be conducted in online mode. And if you talk about mid exams scheduled for PharmD or PharmD post baccalaureate second year from 17th of January 22nd of January 2022 may be conducted during second spell of instruction as per the convenience of the college. So it may be online or offline, it depends on the college. Coursework for PharmD 6th year and PharmD post baccalaureate 3rd year is per the schedule notified earlier. So they have already released the schedule for that. So for all UG and PG courses from 17th of January, the online classes are going to start up to 22nd of January, and it might extend the date of 22nd of January, depends on the situation and the criterias. They might extend the date, that maybe goes to 30th of January or 31st of January, or it might goes to February also. So this is the latest update, that is from Monday, that is from 17th of January, all JNTUH UG PG courses are going to conduct in online mode. So this is the latest update from JNTUH. Hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to our channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram, link in the description box. Thank you for watching.